How to change icon colors on Android. This tutorial shows you how to apply a custom color palette to your app icons directly from your home screen. First, long press on any empty area of your home screen to enter the customization mode. After that, tap on Wallpaper and Style to open the style settings. From there, tap on Color Palette to open the color options. At this point, toggle on Color Palette to enable the feature. In the next step, you'll see two options: Wallpaper Colors, which pulls colors from your current wallpaper, and Basic Colors, which gives you a set of preset color options to choose from. Following this, make sure the Apply Palette to App Icons toggle is turned on, so the color change reflects on your icons as well. Once done, tap on Basic Colors and browse through the available shades until you find one you like. From here, tap Apply to save your selection and head back to your home screen. Finally, you'll notice all your app icons have now taken on the color you selected, giving your home screen a clean and consistent look throughout. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your icon colors on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.